year we sold the property at Ibusa, starting from the rate of 600, we moved to rate of 1.2, presently 2.5.
You know, there is a reason why I keep rooting for Pine Leaf Real Estate Company, because I am somebody that believes in the Akurulo initiative, and my project Unify Igbo's Down has really positioned me that I must work for Ndibo. I must work for the development of Ndibo, the positive development of Ndibo. I must work for it. So it's like an oath that I've taken. So, but then I don't want to talk too much. Why I chose to advertise for Pine Leaf Estates. Watch this video. Watch the bishop himself. Watch Bishop Mzekwesi tell you why real estate is the best for you, because you can own land. Everybody should own land. In fact, everybody own like because you so the Pine Leaf. Watch this video. No, I told me go to watch I am no. Better watch a video.
Okay, at the rate of that 2.5, some people that bought at 600,000 are still paying. That is why I say that we help people gain properties. In other real estate, it's never done. If you want to buy and pay installment, they will give you just 3 months or 2 months. But even when our clients are not able to meet up, we extend grace as long as the grace can last. So that is another way of carrying everybody along. A property that is being sold at a rate of 2.5, somebody is still paying 600,000 for it, for up to 10 blocks. So this is another means we close our eyes towards some clients and let them have a portion of land so that they can be able to answer land owners. So we have a lot of means. We also created means like some weeks ago, or like last week, somebody visited me. He was in abroad very popular. Taking a lot of land, I told you last year, for 600,000. But late last year, he wanted to come down to Nigeria. He was having difficulty. He gave me a call and said, CEO, I want to sell this property and I want to sell it urgently. I told him there is no how you can sell it urgently, but I can rebuy from you. So he asked me how much I understand being sold presently. I told him 2.5. He said, okay, give me 2 million. I gave him 2 million for each of these plots, up to 4 that he wants to sell. Property that he bought for 600,000, and on December he sold 4. And this place I'm telling you is not far from here. He is from our. Maybe you will be around a lot of people that nobody came back from abroad, and such opportunity was given to him because he happened to be part of Pine Leaf Estate. So we hold our clients at high esteem and we value our realtors. It is so we always dream and plan how to create means for, and let me call it balance, how to create balance in real estate.
Chukunya no mi bwego, Olisa ya no mi bwego.